Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the new YouTube editor. If you need to trim your videos, say for instance you upload a video and it's certain parts you want to take out, maybe it's a 5-second clip or a 2-second or 10 seconds, you need to delete that. In this new editor in Studio, it's kind of different, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. First, what you want to do is just log on to your YouTube channel and just pick the video you want to edit. Say for instance, I'm gonna edit this video about pickled eggs. Okay, what you can do, you could just click here for details, or just click on the video. So I'm gonna click here, and what you do, you go over here to the left. You see this editor. Click on the editor. Okay, and you can see I have the video right here. So what you want to do is hit this trim button. You hit the trim, and also up here you have your undo and redo, so just for your information up here. So once I hit the trim, you see down here you have the preview, you have cancel, you have split, and you can click anywhere you want to start on here. Say for instance I want to start right here, and you can drag to wherever you want to start, and then you come up here and hit play. But say for instance I want to trim a little bit. Let's start from the beginning right here. I'm gonna move this to the beginning and I'm gonna hit play.
I'm gonna show you how we make pickled beets eggs here in the country.
I'm gonna pause it right there. Say I want to split starting right there. So I just hit the split button, and you see this line, and you see how this arrow goes both ways. You can click and you could drag on what you want to take out. And I'm gonna just, this X would just delete the split. It don't delete the content, it just starts all over, or you could hit the clear. So I wanna, from that point right there, I'm gonna hit split, and I'm gonna play a little bit of this.
It's really simple. First, the hardest thing is getting the eggs to come out of the shell. You see I'm putting a lot of salt here in my water before I start boiling my eggs.
I'm gonna hit pause right there. So I wanna delete from where I first hit the split until where I paused at. So what you wanna do is hit the split again. You see, so in between here, I want to delete. So I'm gonna make this bigger. You can increase or decrease your screen. So I'm gonna just click on it. I'm gonna slide over, and you can increase this more. You click and drag, and that'll give you a more detail. So I'm gonna make it a little smaller. So I wanna delete this part right here. This is the part that I had got confused. What you wanna do is just come over here until you get that little arrow pointing both ways. You click and you drag. So that part I'm gonna delete. So once you decide on what you want to delete, and you can delete different sections if you want. You got that part, and you can come over here and delete other sections. So now I'm gonna hit the preview. Once I hit preview, I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna play it.
Pickled beets eggs here in the country. And what you want to do is,
you see how it skipped over that? So that's what I want to delete. So once you want to, you can come here and hit save, or you can click right here and save it as a new video. So once I hit save, this is going to let you know that this might take a few hours to do, and during the process that your viewer is going to still be able to see the old content. But after a while, maybe an hour or so, it'll delete that information out right in here. So once you hit save, it's going to take maybe an hour or two, and that video will be shortened by this amount. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day.